Now we are going to look out some of the date and time function. Let's start with date. Date function helps to combine day, month, year, and it gives in proper date format. Assume in your report you have date separately, month separately, and year separately. How do I combine all the three and again bring back the date format? Let me do it here. So in this table, you see we have date in a separate column, month in a separate column, and year in a separate column. Now I'm going to combine all the three and I'm going to get the date. Date. So we have three references here. The first one is year, and the second one is month, and third one is day. So let me select year first. Just go by the order, then select the month, and then select the day. See here, now you got the proper date. So 15th June 2016. Let me copy paste this to next cell. So date function will combine day, month, year, and it give the proper date format. Let's move on to day function. Day function helps to carve out the day from the specific date. So here I have list of date. From this I want to take only the date to the column B. I don't want month and year, I want only day. Equal to day. Select the cell. So if you see here, so I got only 21st in the column B. So it will pick only the day from the specific date. Let's move on to month function. It's almost similar to date. So day picks the day from the specific date, and month function picks the month from the specific date. So equal to month and select the date. So 4, this is April, so we are getting 4. Let me copy paste this to all the cells. Now we have carved out the month from the date. Let's move on to year function. This is also almost similar. So year function helps to carve out the year from the specific date. Equal to year and select the date. So if you see here 2003, so it will pick only the year from the date. So in all the places I have 2003. So now let me change the year. So here 2003, I'll change to 4. So your date will change automatically. Here I'll say 5, 7, 9, 20. So it will pick the year from the specific day. Now move on to now function. Now function helps to get the today date and the current time. To get that, now open bracket and close bracket, you don't need to select anything. So if you see here, so it will get today date and the current time. So we also have shortcut to get that today date and current time. To get today date, it is control colon. To get current time, control shift colon. You can see here. But what is the difference between these two? Formula will change based on the system time. Using shortcut, if you get date or time, so that will not change, that is constant. But if you use formula, so if your time is changing, your value also will change. Let's move on to today function. Today function helps to get the today date. Equal to today, open bracket and close bracket. It will give you the today date. So here you can see. Again, this is also similar to what I mentioned for now function. To get the shortcut to get the today date, the shortcut is control colon. So you get the date and the difference is for formula it will change. The same file, if I open tomorrow, the date will change, but using shortcut whatever I got, so that will not change, that is constant. Let's move on to next function.